Just came back from work, guys. This is the first thing I see outside my house. You already know. We about to get it open. Let's take it inside. And yeah. Alright, guys, like I said, I just got back from work and that box was just chilling outside. So I got the knife and the box is already... Oh, I don't know what just happened. I think I took a picture. Well, the box is already over here on the floor, so I'm gonna flip the camera around and I'm just gonna start unboxing. We're gonna get a quick unboxing for you. I'm not going to be installing it the same day that I'm unboxing it. Yeah, let me get to unboxing real quick. Alright, so we gotta cut this. Yo, guys, I can't wait to see it. Oh man, already looks official with the DNA motoring right there. But you know, let's get all this tape cut. I don't even know if that's all the tape. I don't know if there's more. Oh, that looks surprisingly easy. I think we did it, guys. All right, let's put the knife up here. Don't mind my little sisters. They're just there chilling. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Guys, I see pipes. I see pipes. No way. This looks like it could be the mid pipe. I'm gonna break it, and I just got it. What's this? This looks like it could be the mid. Whoa. Why does it look like it's been used before?
Yeah, it's dirty.
Okay, we'll take it. We might just have to give it a polish, a quick sanding and polish, but that's besides the point. I really want to get this tip going, guys. I think this is the tip right here. This is really what I want to show you. So. Yeah, it's hot. Ugh. I really want to keep the bubble wrap, so I don't want to. I think this is the tip, guys. Oh, yes, I found it. It has this little cover on it. Oh, man. Let's peel it off. I'm so excited. I'm like a little kid, guys. This is like the very first exhaust I ever unboxed. Woo! It's like a giant toilet paper. Oh, my God, guys. It's so shiny. Woo! Oh, I'm excited. Oh man, it has a little plastic wrap already, guys. Oh man, this is getting me excited. Oh, yo, that is fire, guys. That is, ooh. It looked purplish blue in the pictures, but now that I see it and it looks a little more blue and gold, oh man, oh man, oh man, guys. And it has a silencer. That's what's up, guys. You guys already know this is about to be lit. I cannot wait to get this installed. This is the DNA motoring catback exhaust. I got it on eBay for like 160 bucks. So yeah, can't wait to get this install going. So I'm gonna get the install going. I'm gonna put it on the car. Obviously not today. I just got back from work. I'm trying to chill, so I don't know when I'm gonna get it installed, but sometime soon, hopefully. And in the meantime, I'm probably gonna go and get some stock exhaust clip for you guys. So let me go do that.
about to be one big ass bike lane.
You can see the lines already.
Eat it. Watch out the curb.
But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys enjoyed these stock clips, you know, give this video a thumbs up. I know you were probably expecting to see some of these DNA motoring catback exhaust clips, but I haven't installed it. As you guys can see by, you know, the weather in the video, it's not the best weather, so I'm probably not going to install it for who knows how long. That's just the New England weather for you guys. Well, that's what I play against, so it's not the best, but it is what it is, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully next video is the exhaust install, but I can't promise anything, so I don't know. And yeah, thanks for watching. Ochoa.